Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can serve up a Stripe Galore fit that's bold, trippy, and straight up mesmerizing. If you want to know how to build the perfect stripe heavy DTI outfit, just follow my steps in here. So for the hair, I'm using this pigtails here, combine black and white color, and also this one from the code item, this here. And let's just make the outfit. So first, for the top, I'm going to just go in here in the women's sections. I'm going to put on this dress first, but I'm going to just use only the top. First color, just use black, and the second one, use this stripe patterns. This stripe patterns, and then put on the sleeves and use the fishnet patterns that match your skin tone, like this. And then put on the stockings and use the patterns again, like this. Now let's just go in here. So for the shoe, I'm going to just wear this Mary Jane shoe in black. Then I'm going to put on the flare jeans in here. This one, remove the flower and add the star ribbed. So there will be the stripe pattern seen on the pants, and change the color of the jeans into black, like this. Now I'm going to put on this necklace as the accessory and just use black for the color, and put on this on the hair as the accessory and just color it black and white combined, like this. Now we can just go in here and put on this chains, color it white or silver. Now I'm going to add this skirt from the code items, this pink skirt. Remove the ribbons and change the first color into black, and the next color, the layers, just use the stripe patterns. And next you can also put on this skirt, so to glitz into skirt, and change the color using the pattern, just like this. And you can also, this is optional, you can use this nail from the new updates, and I'm going to just change the color into black. And so this is the final result of the Stripe Galore in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.